It's not every day that we witness a potential turning point in a nation's history, but that's exactly what seems to be happening in Zimbabwe right now. Former First Lady Grace Mugabe, who was once at odds with current President Emmerson Mnangagwa, made a move that's turning heads all over the country and beyond. Back when Grace's husband, Robert Mugabe, was in power, Mnangagwa had to flee the country because of political tensions. Fast forward to today, and things are looking quite different. Grace Mugabe, surprisingly, toured and endorsed one of President Mnangagwa's flagship projects, the Museum of African Liberation located in Harare. Now, why is this significant, you might ask? Well, this museum isn't just any building. It's a symbol of progress and unity. It's about preserving the history and promoting the future of African liberation. By endorsing this project, Grace Mugabe is not just supporting a building. She's endorsing a new era of leadership under Mnangagwa. The move has stirred a lot of discussions. Some see it as a strategic play, others as a genuine step towards national healing and forgiveness. Whatever the case, it's a sign that former rivalries can evolve into partnerships that might lead to a stronger, more unified Zimbabwe. This event could very well be a cornerstone in building a new Zimbabwe, one where past conflicts give way to collaboration and progress.